Would you believe me if I said I could teach you to make shoes in 45 seconds? Before we even start, have you ever asked yourself why is it easy to find the inventor of whatever if they hail from the Western world? But you'll never find the name of the inventor of Izimbatata, for instance. And that goes to a lot of creations invented nor innovated by Africans. Welcome to day 9 of the 12 days at Footcast. I mean, institutions can fund a lot of research projects, especially when there's a gap. Now, why don't we have publications of names of African footwear inventors? Anywho, let's get back to it. Allow me to illuminate my invisible clock. Now, stay with me as we make our unisex push in 45 seconds. At our disposal is a shoe last, suede, masking tape, pencil, measuring tape, rubber sole, stiffener, shoe glue, sewing string, staple gun, shoemaker's hammer, pliers, and scissors. Step 1. Create a pattern with masking tape. Draw your design on the masking tape. You always need to sketch your design, and here is mine. We cut our pattern following our pencil sketch, tracing the pattern to a pattern paper. Cut the fabric, assemble it, shoe last for shape, stiffener to hold the shape. Touch the shoe, it's optional depending on the design. You stitch the shoe, and voila, you have your shoe. If I was too fast for you, there's more where that comes from. Just check the link in the caption. Also, have we asked ourselves when brands like Maxhosa, Rich Minisi, Boys of Soweto, and etc. are going to collaborate with local footwear makers for their fashion exhibition? Big brands like Puma don't need their exposure anymore. We probably do. See you on the next day at Footcast.